all to yet another beautiful deck unboxing. This is a beautiful deck postcards from Spirit which I got attracted to when I looked at it because it was almost like getting a letter, a message from the spirits. And like it says, postcards from the spirits. And I think I've told you guys even earlier that I'm a person who loves to know things from text. I love reading. I love to know more about messages and stuff that come to us, and even in every other cards I tend to read the little book along with it. And this card, when I looked at it, it's almost like a letter coming to you from the spirits, and you know, the spirit guides that we call, and it really attracted me. And when I received the card, I immediately decided that this is one card I'll definitely keep for unboxing. I didn't want to open it right away. So as you can see, it's completely sealed. It's got the plastic wrap on it. So I will unwrap the plastic first and then we can start seeing what the deck holds for us. I love the colors, the pastel colors that are there, and here the deck is from Colette Baron Reid. She's the author of this deck, and she also has written, you know, the map and the Uncharted. It's a 52 card oracle deck, and what here they are saying, see, imagine traveling to a sacred place where you can receive communication from your loved ones who have passed on, your ancestors, your spirit guides, or even your guardian angels. What if they knew what you need to know about every aspect of your life's journey? So, you know, it can be an amazing guidance if you're going through something, and if you would like to get a guidance from them, this deck can be such a huge contribution. And yeah, in the end, after the unboxing, I'll also be giving you one pick a card reading. So we'll see what messages your spirit guides are giving you guys. And yeah, the author, Colette Baron Reid, she has created this oracle deck, and she's open to the portal to the other side. Basically, she would like to, you know, she created this to open the portal to the other side through a compassionate and sometimes playful chorus of voices. You'll feel as if you're receiving a postcard from another dimension just for you, a message with practical advice and profound meaning. Ask a question and a postcard from Spirit will show up with just the right answer. So let's see how the cards look like. Oh wow, this is like a deck which is, you know, opening from the top. I always like that. Very nice. And beautiful box. Very nice box. Okay, so let me keep the box aside. You can just put it here. And these are our postcards. Yeah, these are our postcards. And this is the book along with it, which is hardly a book. It's kind of a little thing that they've given about the author, about the artist. The artist is a native from New York, Jenna Della Gorateglia, who has done the artwork. And it's a production by the Hay House. And yeah, I guess they didn't give a little book along with it because the entire text is going to be in the cards itself. So as the cards are going to have all the text, I think they didn't require a book along with it. So whatever message is coming to us, it will be from the cards directly. And I've opened the wrapping, and wow, just look at that. And yet again, can you guys see how beautifully the colors are matching here? Wow, I love that. You know, this is the third time I'm seeing that when I'm unboxing a video, and somehow all the colors are just matching. So yes, this is a 52 postcard deck, and there's no point in me showing you all the cards because there is nothing else other than text here. If you see, they're just beautiful pastel colors of decks that they've, you know, of the text that they've created here. Basically, in this deck, the main thing that has been done is the messages. The messages are the ones that they have worked on the maximum on these cards. So it's like the writing of the messages has been the most imperative thing in these cards. It's not like a specific image that they worked on. So when I'll be doing the reading for you guys, when I do a pick a card reading, all I'll be doing is reading it out to you, and we'll see what messages are coming to you guys. They've done a very nice work of just like creating a postcard kind of a thing. I don't know how many of you know postcards. My age group, definitely, you know, we've all seen postcards. We've also received postcards when we were like young. Today's generation, I'm not sure even if they really know what a postcard means. See how they've created the look of a postcard here. You know, the postcard is written here and then there's a little stamp here. And I remember like us going and doing that, you know, buying postcards and putting stamps and sending it to people. And there was a nice trend that wherever you travel, you send postcards to your family. So this is almost like your spirit guides, your passed on ancestors, your elders, they are sending you a postcard. So wow, I love the concept. I truly love the concept here. Even the look that they've given is absolutely as if you're receiving a postcard. And even the quality of the cards is quite sturdy. If you see the, you know, the very thick and nice cards, they've actually lived up to the name. That they, if they're calling it a postcard, they've lived up to the name of it, you know, by giving it such a sturdy look. So I think there's not much to see in the cards that way other than how beautiful that they are. Let's just get on to the reading. I think that's what we all will enjoy the most. I'll just go ahead and do a reading for you guys and we'll figure out what messages are coming to you. So let me just lay that out. And as it's a deck always travels through many different places and to many different hands, we'll just knock the cards to release any unstuck energy if it's there. I'll just wave it over the fire somewhat and ask the guardian angels, archangels, Archangel Michael, everyone to release any negative energy in this card, any kind of things that they picked up, and then we can start doing the reading. So first, nicely, let's just shuffle the cards. So we have the three cards here. One, the green and the orange, one the blue and the blue, and one is the yellow and the yellow. So this one would be pile A, this one would be pile B, this one would be pile C. So close your eyes, pause the video if you like, and just ask a question. Ask a question to your ancestors, your spirit guides, your passed on elders, your divine, whoever you would like to ask a question from. Just go ahead and ask your question and close your eyes, and then we'll see what shows up. See which resonates more to you. Does the pile A with the orange stone and the green card resonate? Or does the pile B with the blue stone and the blue card resonate? Or the pile C with the yellow stone and the yellow card resonate? So whatever resonates, pick that up. And you can just go to the timestamp, see the timestamps and just listen to your reading if you like. You don't need to watch the entire video if you're not interested. And if you resonate with more than one card, you can always go and listen to the other ones also. Now that you guys have made your choice, I'll start opening up the card, and the first one that I'll open up is pile A. So I'm going to put the stone aside and I'll see what the pile A card reads. Now this is the pile A card. Dearest you, going the extra mile to achieve your dreams and putting in some overtime will reap big rewards. Now is the time for you to act, to stir up some energy and put those plans into action. There are many windows of opportunity that open but close quickly when you don't take the risk and go for it. Today be confident that your hard work will pay off and you will feel that satisfaction and fulfillment of reaching your desired outcome. It might turn out even better than you expected. Isn't that amazing? Remember how much work you're willing to put in. We will match it tenfold on our end. Everyone over here is rooting for you to win the game of life, so just do it. Loving you so much. Amazing Group B, amazing. What a beautiful message you guys got from your spirit guides and ancestors. They are rooting for you. They are there with you. Go ahead, take the plunge, take the action, make the choice. Don't keep procrastinating. Don't keep getting doubtful. And like they said, the window of possibility opens up for a brief moment. If you don't grab it, you lose it. You make that effort one-fold and they are going to be giving you 10 folds. So time to make that effort. Go make that effort and then see the magic. It's so amazing. So yes, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful guidance for group A. Now let's go to group B, the blue crystal, and let's see what guidance is coming to the group B from their ancestors and spirit guides. So this is the card that has come to them. We are, dearest you, we are a chatty bunch over here, always talking about how to support you in your life's journey. We communicate to you through the language of oracles, dreams, signs, metaphors, and omens. In your life on earth, however, clarity in your communication is essential to being understood. You don't speak in symbols, and if you did, you would definitely confuse things. Right now, you're facing a situation in which you're being asked to have integrity. Be clear and learn how to ask for your needs to be met. The first step is to admit out aloud that you have needs. The second is to ask out aloud for them to be met. And the third is to allow the other person, organization, or even us to answer you. When you follow these steps, you can most definitely expect an answer in your favor. Affirmative, we say. Loving you so very much. So group B guys, where is the problem in communication? You guys have an issue in expressing yourself, in saying the things out aloud, in going ahead and asking for it. If somebody tries to help you, you feel overwhelmed. You think that no, I should do everything on my own. Nobody should be really helping me or anything. I can't ask anybody for favors. I can't ask anybody for help. But that's what your ancestors, spirit guides, and the guidance is coming to you guys. Go ahead, ask. Ask what you require and it will show up. The biggest rule with angels is if you do not ask for help, they will not intervene into your free will. So if you want people to come and help you, you have to ask them. Don't keep assuming that the other person will understand what I'm going through. He'll know what my emotions are. He should come up and talk to me. No. You are the one who requires something. Go ahead, ask for it. So yeah, a beautiful guidance, group B. Whatever it is that you require help for, go ahead, ask. Whoever is the first person or the organization or the thing that came to your mind that you require to ask for help, go ahead and ask them. Okay? And now it's group C time, the yellow stone. We take the yellow stone away and we'll see what the group C card is telling the people who chose the group C. Now this is the text for them. Dear you, there is always more than one side to an argument, two sides if not more. To every story and hundreds of ways to be right. Be different, be at odds, and so on. Today we suggest that instead of looking for differences, you find a meeting place of agreement and approach this experience with understanding and compassion. Seek common ground to understand how another person thinks or how an alternate plan might be laid. Stay out of judgment too. Observe, discern, but accept that others have different stories, experiences, and journeys, and some people might refuse to remain open to another's point of view. No matter what, you've been presented with a great opportunity to explore a new way of doing things once common ground is reached. You're attracting people and situations that enrich your life and bring you wonderful things to learn. We love you so much. So, Group C, clearly stop going into the zone, I know everything, I am right. Always be ready to explore a different option that is possible. Always be ready to look at a different point of view. Receive from everyone. Sometimes, you can get the bestest of the idea or the best of the solution from someone you dislike the most. So, once you start having that opinion that this is the person I just don't like, we stop receiving from that person, and if they tend to give you a very nice solution, you just don't want to take it because in your mind that person cannot be smart enough or good enough to give you that. But that's what the card is telling you here. Always look at different possibilities, look at different options that are possible. Stop looking at things in a way that, just because this person is looking at it differently means it's not good for me. You never know, that could be the solution for your problem. So whatever question you had asked, whatever situation was in your mind, connect this message to that and see how they are guiding you. Now if I see how they have given the answers to all the three groups, like group A, they are clearly telling to put things into action. Group B, they are clearly telling to communicate better, and group C, they are clearly telling to resolve the differences, to basically somewhere I would also use the word ego. If you're functioning from ego, just let it go. Function from awareness, not from ego. So that's the guidance that's come to everyone today. So this is for group A, this is for group B, and this is for group C. So I hope you guys have gotten your answers, and I hope you resonate with what they're telling you. If something came up which was very interesting for you, please do share in the comment section. Please do let me know in the comment section what came over you once you saw the reading, what answers you got when you saw the reading, and how it contributed to you. I would love to know more feedbacks and suggestions from people when they are looking at these readings and unboxings, what's going on in their space. Start connecting to these cards and these readings, and you'll start seeing how beautifully they are there to guide you for things. And yes, it is a timeless reading, it's an evergreen reading. Whenever you're watching it, even if you're watching it 5 years after this video has been posted, it's still current. If it's your first time, it's still current. If you've already seen the video, of course you can't keep seeing it again and again, then it might lose the message that's coming for you. But if you're seeing it for the first time, it still holds good. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, the little bell icon out there, just go and click it, and every time I post a new video, you will get to see the content of that. I'm planning to even have some videos on healing tips, and I keep adding of mantras and stuff. So let's see what else is possible. Any more suggestions you guys have, anything else you would like to see on my channel, you're free to write to me. You can also put it in the comment section. You can also give me a shout out at my WhatsApp. The number is 900-4900-777. I'm based in Bombay, and I keep doing a lot of card readings, and I keep doing a lot of tarot sessions, and every deck really adds on to my reading. And I'm so happy to keep adding these new decks, and this one is my new edition, the Postcards from Spirit, and I'm really happy to have them because, like you all know, text definitely my thing. Once again, thank you guys, thank you so much, and let's see what else is possible. Bye.